I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, completely okay. Yeah. We are here to for English. Okay, yeah. So let's get to know each other. Talk about yourself, about your career.
Okay.
Yes, go on.
Um, um, mm. and can you ask me answer
Okay, okay.
like
Um, what's your native language?
Russian?
Russian. Uh huh. Do you live in Russia?
No, in Turkish. Turkey.
Uh huh. In Turkey.
Turkey, yes.
Very good. Ankara.
No, İzmir.
Izmir. Uh huh.
Yes.
Very good. So, mm, you migrate here to for the career or something else?
Yes, career. I want
Uh-huh.
just speaking.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, okay. So, do you know Turkish?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah, really.
Yeah,
You,
yes.
so you know Russian, Turkish, and you want to learn English.
That's all.
Very
Yes.
good, very good. You're growing too fast. Very good. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So, can you tell me about your career, your company, your business?
Okay, I'm working at hospital,
Uh huh.
like entrepreneur. Uh, just a second.
Uh huh.
Uh, mm, mm, Google Translate.
Always working.
Okay, just a second. I work at the hospital as a translator. Yes.
You're as a translator.
Yes,
Oh,
Turkish Russian.
oh, yes, yes. Translator. Very good, very good. Okay, okay. So it's a Russian hospital? Yeah?
No, Turkish hospital,
Uh
but
huh.
it's um, just a second. Uh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, our patient is not Turkish.
Uh huh. Your
From
patients
another
are
country.
Russian. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Russian, England, Portuguese.
Uh huh. Uh-huh. So this is why you
Over.
want to learn English.
Yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Yes, I guess right. Okay. So, uh, okay, okay. So I think maybe you need to communicate with them. Yes, speaking
Yes,
to
yes,
them
yes, yes.
and understand them.
Mm-hmm.
Listening. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Listening and speaking. Okay. So, can you tell me about your past experience of learning English, methodology, sources, classes that you have passed?
In school,
Mm-hmm.
at school, yes. I go to course,
Course, course,
course,
course. Course.
course.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
course. Yeah, okay, okay. I got that. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Good. Uh huh. Okay. Here in Turkey or in Russia.